Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see your following list on Facebook. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first approach is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile. Then you should see your follower and following list. To see your following list, just click on following. Then hang on, then you should see all your following list. You see that? So these are the people you are following on Facebook. Alternatively, if you want to see your following list, open the Facebook app, click on menu at the bottom right or at the top right. Then under the menu, click on settings. Once you select settings, scroll down the settings page until you get to activity log. So just keep scrolling. Under your activity, click on activity log. Now scroll to the navigation and then you should see following. Click on that. Hang on. Then under activity history, you should see all your following lists. You see that? So these are the people that you are following on Facebook. So that's exactly how to see your following list on Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.